So you can make it sketching parts here. Like this. Okay. Like this. Hello. Hi. Hi ma'am, tell me. Tapan here. Uh, mm, yeah, that's fine. This paper, pencil, color pencil, pen, paper, and that's basic need. That much only. No need to. Okay. Sure. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Yeah. Like this, you can make it. So only add something. This one. Hmm? Okay, so you can create some. Just a minute.
So what is this?
This is some animal. We are just imagine and create. It is not uh, this tiger and elephant. If you are imagine create both together, so how it is looks. Okay, so we're creating like this only. Just a few settings you can put. To establish the
Oh, I
more.
do the wolf also.
Sorry, Vita?
I do the wolf also. It's
Oh,
sent for homework.
oh, that's nice. Wow. Well, very good, Shamnavi. I'm so proud of you. Very nice. Yes. Oh, nice. They are pay here. That's fine. I like that. Okay. This is really great. So you can make it more realistic. Okay. So So you can not draw this big ear. Like this. Okay. Like this. More details. Take time. Yeah, it is also perfect. Yeah, this is good. Good try. You guys are really try lots of drawing. Like this. Very nice.
Sir,
Yes, beta. Hi. Abhi, your class today and tomorrow you join, beta. Oh, you just join tomorrow, right? Your class is tomorrow, right, beta?
yes.
Okay, beta, fine. Okay, fine. Yes. Tell me, beta, Brishti, show yours, Brishti. On your camera, beta. Huh? Your camera off, beta.
Sir, my camera is on.
On. But here is showing off. You just one leave and again joins once one time. Here showing off, beta. Your only P is showing P for puja. I hope that is showing like this. Okay. Just leave and again join. This is fine. That's coming. I do over here some little bit of here and far, so it looks more no, it's more crazy and more realistic.
Sir, now is it on?
Yes, now it's perfectly on. Yeah, the shape is perfect. Okay, can you just add some more shadings, beta? It looks awesome. Very nice drawing.
Okay, sir.
Yes, just add some shading over here. I'm doing right now. So it looks more realistic. Yes,
Can I show you?
please show me. Please show me. Mm, nice. This is nice. Yeah, yeah, absolutely perfect. We are using some our finger to merge somewhere. Okay. If you want to put some light tone, that times you are put. Hmm. What's your brother? Okay, we are creating some more realistic to margin this part.
So it's not visible properly. Now
No.
it's working.
Okay, like this. If you're giving more times, it's coming more better. So I'm margin and put it little more shading. Okay, I just make sure I just make it more darker tone and more depth. Somewhere need to depth. Okay, so this area need to depth more. Okay, okay. Class করছো
So can you see?
Yes, beta, I see. Yes, very nice, very nice. Very good. Okay. I hope this is almost finished. We can go ahead and extend after that. So this is some new character in veins. Okay. Like this.
So how nice.
Yeah, this is your good. Yeah, also nice. I add something, one horn over here, like a rhinoceros. Okay. Just how look it creates something different.